It was the year 2077, deep in a forgotten warehouse, and there it sat, the MG Cyberster, a relic from 2023. Covered in decades of dust, its sleek, futuristic lines were barely visible. A forgotten dream, what a tragedy. The exterior was a sorry sight, scratches like deep scars, angry gouges in the paintwork, which was now faded, dull. One of its dramatic scissor doors hung limply, defeated. The iconic MG badge tarnished, dust filled every single crevice. It looked utterly forlorn. But its story wasn't over. Inside, things were no better. The once stunning cockpit was now a scene of decay. The advanced leather seats were cracked like ancient maps. The main digital dashboard screen, a black, lifeless square. Wires dangled, exposed. A sad, musty smell hung heavy. So much lost potential. Its unique features were broken. Those incredible LED light signatures, now shattered, dark and cold. The aerodynamic alloy wheels were caked in thick grime. It was a mere shadow, a ghost of its former self. A whisper of electric power, silenced. But we were here to change that. The rescue mission began. We moved it out from the dusty darkness into our bright, modern workshop. This was a place of rebirth. A glimmer of hope appeared. This wasn't just another car, it was a symbol, an electric dream. Then came the diagnostics. Scanners hummed with power, lasers danced over the bodywork. Holographic displays flickered to life, all its hidden problems laid bare. The car's soul was being mapped. Next, the heart of the beast, the massive battery system. It was completely dead. We gently removed it. Each cell was meticulously checked. Some were damaged beyond saving. A new power core was essential, a modern marvel of technology. This would be its new lifeblood. Power was about to be restored. The new battery packs slotted in. Connections were carefully made. A moment of pure tension. Then a small light blinked. On the dashboard, a single flicker. But it was everything. Life. The Cyberster was stirring. Its electric soul was awakening. The real journey had started. We started with the bodywork, stripped right back to bare metal. Every single dent, every scratch was painstakingly removed. Gone, hours of filling, then sanding, making it absolutely perfect. Smooth as a sheet of glass, ready for its new skin. A vibrant new color. This car would gleam again. Lights, camera, and pure action. Those iconic LED lights, they had to be rebuilt. From the ground up, new diodes, new precision-cut lenses, all custom-made for this project. Better than the original ones, brighter, sharper, more defined. Those distinctive light bars would blaze a trail once more. Then the inside story. The old dashboard was ripped out, replaced with something stunning. A brand new, sweeping digital display. Crystal clear, incredibly responsive. The head-up display too, all new. Fresh wiring looms threaded through, no more dangling sad cables. The cockpit was transforming, becoming a true command center. Luxury was making a comeback. Brand new seats were fitted, covered in hand-stitched leather, so soft, so inviting. The rich smell of quality, new carpets, deep and plush. Ambient lighting was installed, subtle yet so classy, ready to glow with electric life. The cabin felt special again. And then, the paint. A deep, vibrant, electric blue, layer upon glorious layer. It looked like liquid light, reflecting everything around it. Absolutely flawless, utterly perfect. It looked simply incredible. The color pulsed with raw energy. This wasn't just paint. The future was abandoned, now it returns. Wheels and tires were next. The alloys were fully refurbished, polished to a mirror finish. No more scuffs, no more dullness. Wrapped in fresh performance rubber, ready to grip the tarmac, ready to launch into the future. The stance was now aggressive, purposeful. It looked mean in the best possible way. The grand awakening arrived. We pressed the start button, a soft, expectant hum, then a satisfying whoosh. The dashboard exploded with light. Graphics danced across the screens, futuristic, dazzling, alive. The ambient lights pulsed gently. Electric dreams don't die, they get recharged, and how? Behold, the masterpiece, finished, completely restored, reborn. The MG Cyberster stood before us, gleaming, utterly perfect. Its scissor doors swept upwards, those amazing lights blazed brightly. The electric motors hummed eagerly, a true phoenix from the ashes, ready for the future, ready for anything. Cyberster recharged. What a machine.